Hi everyone, and welcome to all Breckwell pellet stove owners. This evening on my test bench I have Keith's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Keith sent me this one because when he contacted me about it he mentioned that there was electrical damage on the circuit board and it simply wasn't running. So I indicated to him at the time that I didn't think there was any options but to have it repaired. So he sent it to me, I received it today, and I've already completed the repairs to it. So I'm at a point now where I'm ready to do final testing on it. I have the controller connected to my test unit. My test unit has light bulbs to simulate the different items on the stove. One light bulb in blue is the combustion fan, one is the auger motor, and one in red is the convection or room fan. On my tester I don't have thermal switches, I have them all bypassed. So when I turn it on, the convection room fan will come on and so will the combustion fan. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm powered up. So let's turn it on and there it is. We can see the two lights come on, the combustion in blue and the convection in red. So we're not in automatic mode right now because the green light is off and I have not pressed the auger button. But before we do that, there's three things we need to check on the controller. First of all is manual feed. If I go to the momentary switch manual feed, that should cause the auger to drive. And notice how the light comes on and off. That's working correctly. The next two things are related to the convection fan. One is the high fan speed, which if I'm in low here, that means that'll go to max speed. So low, high speed, low, high speed. So I'm leaving the switch in normal. I'm in low, and as I rotate through the switches through B, C, D, the intensity of the light bulb should increase, which indicates the motor would be running faster. And you can see it there. E, D, E, and max are all connected together on the circuit board, so they will not change the intensity of the fan speed. Notice that nothing changes there. I'm on max, E, D, and the intensity drops. So everything here is functioning normally. The next thing I need to do is press the auger button. When I do that, the green light at the top will come on. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is, the green light came on. So now what's going to happen, because I'm in low position, I need to wait approximately 30 seconds, and then there's a little green light on the circuit board back here that will come on, and when it comes on, the auger will drive as well. So let's wait a few more seconds for that to happen, and hopefully the camera will catch the green light. Actually, I'll tilt the controller a little bit to make sure we catch that. There you go. I'll tilt it a little back more. Looks like that light was in the glare. So notice it's taken a fair amount of time before it cycles, and it doesn't cycle on for very long. That's the effect. There we go, we saw it there. That's the effect of being in the low position. So the next thing I'm going to do one more cycle so we can all see it. The little LED above the word pellet. In the back. There it is, you can see it. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the maximum position. As we did that, you notice the light went on. So what we're going to watch for now is that the auger will be on longer when it comes on. Notice how it's on longer. And the time in between cycles will be shorter. So it'll come on sooner. We won't have to wait as long. There it is, off for a little bit, on for longer. So there it is, that's everything. This controller is functioning exactly like it should. I have good feeling, good action on my two switches. The auger push button feels good, the rotation feels fine. I've got it locked in to the right position so it goes to max as the maximum position. And electronically the circuit board is working fine. My lights are indicating that the motors are running great. So Keith, I want to thank you for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate it very much. For you other owners who are watching this video, if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment sections below. I'll try to answer them if I spot them. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. Every subscription helps me. I'm glad to see people are interested. And feel free to subscribe. And if you have questions yourselves, leave a comment below and I'll try to ask. Thanks, Keith. Bye-bye.